In recent years, joint health supplements have gained significant popularity, driven by an aging population and the increasing prevalence of joint-related conditions such as osteoarthritis. These supplements promise to alleviate joint pain, improve mobility, and support overall joint health, offering hope to millions who struggle with discomfort and stiffness. But with so many options on the market, it's natural to question, do these supplements really work? Joint health supplements are often marketed as a natural alternative to prescription medications, appealing to those who seek relief without the potential side effects of pharmaceuticals. While these products claim to enhance joint function and reduce pain, the scientific evidence behind them varies. Some supplements are backed by research, while others rely more on anecdotal reports. In this article, we'll analyze 3 of the most popular joint health supplements: glucosamine, chondroitin, and collagen. We'll explore the pros and cons of each, examining the science to help you make an informed decision about whether these supplements are worth adding to your routine. So, we will start with glucosamine. What is glucosamine? Glucosamine is a naturally occurring compound found in the cartilage of joints. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure and function of cartilage, which acts as a cushion between bones. Glucosamine supplements are often derived from shellfish or produced synthetically. Here are the pros of glucosamine. 1. Cartilage support. Glucosamine is believed to support the repair and maintenance of cartilage, potentially slowing the progression of osteoarthritis. Some studies suggest that glucosamine supplements can reduce pain and improve joint function, especially in individuals with mild to moderate osteoarthritis. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Glucosamine has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Inflammation is a key factor in many joint conditions, and by reducing inflammation, glucosamine may help alleviate symptoms. 1. Relatively safe. Glucosamine is generally considered safe for most people. Side effects are typically mild and may include gastrointestinal discomfort. Unlike some prescription medications, glucosamine does not carry a high risk of serious side effects. And for the cons of glucosamine. 1. Mixed evidence. While some studies support the use of glucosamine for joint health, others have found little to no benefit. The variability in research results has led to debate among experts about the effectiveness of glucosamine. 1. Slow onset of action. Glucosamine is not a quick fix. It may take several weeks or even months for users to notice any improvement in their joint symptoms. This can be frustrating for those seeking immediate relief. 1. Not suitable for everyone. Individuals with shellfish allergies should avoid glucosamine derived from shellfish, as it may trigger an allergic reaction. Additionally, glucosamine may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, so it's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting supplementation. A 2010 study published in the journal BMJ examined the effects of glucosamine on pain and joint space narrowing in individuals with hip or knee osteoarthritis. The study concluded that glucosamine had a modest effect on pain reduction but did not significantly prevent joint space narrowing. Other research has shown that glucosamine may be more effective when combined with chondroitin, another popular joint supplement, which we will discuss next. The next supplement is chondroitin. What is chondroitin? Chondroitin sulfate is another natural component of cartilage. It helps retain water in the cartilage, ensuring that it remains resilient and elastic. Like glucosamine, chondroitin is often used to treat osteoarthritis and other joint-related conditions. The pros of chondroitin are: 1. Cartilage preservation. Chondroitin may help slow the breakdown of cartilage in individuals with osteoarthritis. By preserving cartilage, it may reduce pain and improve joint function over time. 1. Pain relief. Some studies suggest that chondroitin can reduce joint pain and improve mobility, particularly in those with moderate to severe osteoarthritis. Its effects may be more pronounced when used in combination with glucosamine. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Like glucosamine, chondroitin has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce joint swelling and discomfort. Now, let's talk about the cons of chondroitin. 1. Inconsistent results. The effectiveness of chondroitin varies widely between studies. While some research supports its use, other studies have found little to no benefit, leading to questions about its overall efficacy. 1. Cost. Chondroitin supplements can be expensive, especially when taken long-term. The cost may be a barrier for some individuals, particularly if they do not experience significant improvement in their symptoms. 1. Potential side effects. Chondroitin is generally well tolerated, but it can cause side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, and headaches. Additionally, there is some concern that chondroitin may interact with blood-thinning medications, so individuals taking these drugs should consult their healthcare provider before using chondroitin. A meta-analysis published in the journal Annals of the Rheumatic Diseases in 2015 reviewed 43 clinical trials on chondroitin and concluded that it had a small to moderate effect on reducing pain and improving function in individuals with osteoarthritis. However, the authors noted that the quality of the studies varied, and more high-quality research is needed to confirm the benefits of chondroitin. The next supplement in our list is collagen. What is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, providing structure to the skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. In recent years, collagen supplements have gained popularity for their potential benefits in joint health. These supplements are typically derived from animal sources, such as bovine or marine collagen. The pros of collagen are: 1. Supports joint structure. Collagen is a key component of cartilage, and supplementation may help support the structure and integrity of joints. Some studies suggest that collagen supplements can reduce joint pain and improve mobility, particularly in athletes and individuals with osteoarthritis. 1. Promotes tissue repair. Collagen may help promote the repair of damaged joint tissues, potentially slowing the progression of joint degeneration. This could be particularly beneficial for individuals with joint injuries or chronic conditions like osteoarthritis. 1. Additional benefits. In addition to joint health, collagen supplements are often touted for their benefits to skin, hair, and nails. For those seeking overall wellness, collagen may offer a multifaceted approach to health. Let's talk about the cons of collagen. 1. Limited research. While collagen supplements have shown promise in some studies, the research is still relatively limited compared to other joint supplements. More high-quality studies are needed to confirm the long-term benefits of collagen for joint health. 1. Variable quality. The quality of collagen supplements can vary widely between products. Some supplements may contain lower-quality collagen or additional ingredients that may not be beneficial for joint health. It's important to choose a reputable brand to ensure the effectiveness of the supplement. 1. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, when taking collagen supplements. This is more common with higher doses, so it may be necessary to adjust the dosage if digestive issues occur. A 2012 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that athletes who took collagen supplements experienced a significant reduction in joint pain both at rest and during activity. Another study published in Current Medical Research and Opinion in 2016 showed that collagen supplementation improved joint pain and function in individuals with knee osteoarthritis. However, as mentioned earlier, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of collagen on joint health. Now, let's dive into a comparison between glucosamine and chondroitin to better understand how each one supports joint health and which might be more effective for you. Glucosamine and chondroitin are often used together in joint health supplements, as they are believed to work synergistically. While both supplements have shown promise in reducing pain and improving joint function, the evidence is mixed, with some studies showing significant benefits and others showing little to no effect. Some experts believe that the combination of glucosamine and chondroitin may be more effective than either supplement alone, but this is not universally accepted. Now, let's move on to another comparison between collagen and the duo of glucosamine and chondroitin to see how they differ in their approach to supporting joint health. Collagen, on the other hand, offers a different approach to joint health by supporting the structure of cartilage and promoting tissue repair. While the research on collagen is still emerging, it shows promise for reducing joint pain and improving mobility. Unlike glucosamine and chondroitin, collagen also offers additional benefits for skin, hair, and nails, making it a more versatile supplement. So, the question now, which supplement is right for you? The choice between glucosamine, chondroitin, and collagen ultimately depends on individual needs and preferences. For those with osteoarthritis or joint pain, glucosamine and chondroitin may offer relief, particularly when used together. Collagen, with its broader range of benefits, may be more appealing to those seeking overall wellness in addition to joint support. It's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Joint health supplements like glucosamine, chondroitin, and collagen offer potential benefits for individuals with joint pain or osteoarthritis. While the research on these supplements is mixed, many people find relief from their symptoms with regular use. However, it's essential to approach supplementation with realistic expectations and an understanding that results may vary from person to person. Incorporating joint supplements into a broader approach to joint health, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight, is likely the most effective strategy for long-term joint function. As with any health decision, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of action for your individual needs. By understanding the pros and cons of each supplement and reviewing the scientific evidence, you can make an informed choice about whether joint health supplements are right for you. While they may not be a cure-all, they can be a valuable part of a comprehensive approach to managing joint health and improving quality of life. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights.